Hi, this is Tony Sagami. I want to talk to you a little bit about technology today, but with an Asian flavor. Specifically, I'm talking to you about a Lenovo computer. You might remember Lenovo purchased IBM's personal computer unit back in 2005, and since then, they are turning it into a raging Chinese success story. They just reported their quarterly growth numbers, and they were fantastic. Now Lenovo is the fourth largest computer maker in the world. Number one is Hewlett Packard, then Dell, and then Acer Computer is number three. But nonetheless, they reported a 38% year-over-year increase in sales to $4.78 billion. It's almost $5 billion of computer sales. So that's certainly impressive, 38% growth. And more importantly, it's well above the $4.5 billion expectations that Wall Street have. So Lenovo is doing something very, very right. On the profit side, they reported $79 million of profits. That was way ahead of the $43 million that Wall Street was expecting. And that's a 50% increase over the previous quarter. So they're really firing on all cylinders. And even their stock is red hot. Their stock is up 250% in the last 12 months. And that's impressive, especially when you consider you compare it to the Hang Seng market in Hong Kong where it's listed, which was up 56%. So it's outperforming the Hang Seng market by 500%. Also, there's some other important metrics. Lenovo increased our market share from 7.5% to 9.2%. Pretty impressive. And if I was an investor, you should be very worried if you own Dell, Hewlett Packard. They're both toast. The computer industry is different than it used to be. Computers used to be a very whiz-bang, gee-whiz, high profit margin product. But now, like calculators, are almost a commodity, and there's no longer the high margins there used to be. So when you get to a business like that, the most important thing you can do is invest in a low-cost provider, because they're the ones that can thrive in that low profit margin environment, and that is Lenovo. And if you're interested, the Lenovo ticker is 0992.HK. 0992.HK. It's listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And if you want to be in the computer business and invest in a computer company, Lenovo is the one to own. This is Tony Sagami signing off till next week.